OpenAI aspires to create new possibilities that are released across several industries. OpenAI is constantly working on new models, with several teams exploring different approaches to achieving the long-term goal of artificial general intelligence (AGI), and some of those ideas are working out better than others. Currently, one of those projects, codenamed Strawberry, has been stirring the AI community because it may turn AI reasoning upside down. All the same, this project is to realize AI models that can naturally reason and do what human beings think, so that complex tasks are performed autonomously. Artificial intelligence models are currently processing a huge amount of data and answering like human beings, but lacking reasoning and planning. Strawberry seeks to overcome this limitation by developing AI models that can navigate the internet, conduct research, and even perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as software engineering. According to Reuters, the new model would be working by using a new method of processing AI models after they're pre-trained on the large data sets, with something called post-training, a fine-tuning of models for better performance in areas. The aim is to enable an AI model to deep research independently on the web and take actions accordingly based on those results. OpenAI wants Strawberry to revolutionize the industry in science, technology, and engineering. We want our AI models to see and understand the world more like we do. Continuous research into the new AI capabilities is a common practice in the industry, with a shared belief that these systems will improve in reasoning over time, said OpenAI Stanford professor spokesperson Noah Goodman. It will be similar to a method developed at Stanford in 2022 called Self-Taught Reasoner, or STAR, which makes AI models bootstrap themselves into enhanced intelligence levels by iteratively creating their training data. OpenAI aspires to create new possibilities released across several industries and revolutionizing the way we approach problems, just like creating AI models that can reason like humans. Reasoning is key to AI achieving human or superhuman level intelligence, said a researcher familiar with the project. Strawberry is a crucial step towards achieving that goal. If this goes all right, then Strawberry could be transforming industries including healthcare, finances, education, etc. Reasoning and human-like thinking capacity could spawn AI models capable of medical research, be releasing breakthroughs, financial analysis, and personalized learning. The most important areas of the progress will be around reasoning ability, said the OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. As the Strawberry project progresses, we can expect to see significant advancements in AI capabilities and potential breakthroughs in various fields.